11. Today's Tuesday, 5collegekids. And right now I'm holding the camera because there's nothing to lay the camera around. So this is my lounge, or my suite. This is the window, a couple windows here. There's my doors to my other suites, refrigerator, a couple couches here, some tables, some TV there, some posters. Everywhere. We decorate our suite, but we're gonna have to decorate it more a little bit. But so that is our suite. So I'm recording this out here because on Friday's challenge was that I had to record somewhere else, and yeah, this is my suite, so I'm recording here. So let's see. So that was Friday's challenge. Thursday's challenge was try not to do homework that is assigned. Okay, so that one was try not to do the homework the day before it's due, which I've been doing. No, I've not been doing it. I've been doing my homework the day when it's assigned, so I get it done as soon as possible. So basically, I get it done the first day, basically. So I don't procrastinate, I get it done like that. Simple and easy. So I completed that challenge, and I had no problem with that. Wednesday, the challenge was to send snail mail out to the rest of you guys. I will do that, it's just, I kind of procrastinated on that, to be honest, so I will do it, I promise. I will do it some other week. I'll definitely do that challenge, but I just need more time. And Monday, there's no question or challenge posted, so no video was posted on Monday. So, and my question of the week is, how much sleep do you guys get on average, basically? How much sleep do you guys get on average every day? So, and the title of this movie is called Snowstorm for One Reason, and we are getting our first major snowstorm up in Vermont. We're going to have at least 3 to 6 inches of snow, and probably a lot of snow. Yeah, 3 to 6 inches and 9 inches on higher elevations. Excuse me. So this is our first major snowstorm I think this is our first major snowstorm in the season, so I'm pretty excited about that. And let's see. So we tried to have a meeting though about it, but unfortunately it got canceled. So yeah, so basically I had to record it myself, or take a look at the radar and stuff and track it, see where it goes. So, but it looks like right now outside of the, sorry about that, the cutout, but this is what it looks like outside. It's raining a lot, so see you guys later. See you next week. Bye.